So this hive is a strong hive, and they are queenless. What I did, I left the queen. This queen is inside the cage. As you can see, this is mated queen. As you can see, there is things going on, but I can't see any aggressive thing. They really want that queen. They're chewing the net to release her, but I'm gonna leave it. I put some candy on the end of the core. Let's see if they can open it, release her. I can't see anything. They just want to release her. Let's see if it will be successful. We will check it in 3 days if there's any eggs laid. Yep.